Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, I am the course instructor for this Java intermediate course. So all you will learn real world concepts and examples while writing the components and concepts. Yes, having 2 decades of experience working with the real-time concepts and real-world projects. All these efforts are added here to explaining very detailed real-world concept. Getting started here to introduction about the course. So welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use a practical sessions to getting more knowledge in the real world concepts. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quickly if you want to get help, use Google to how to find a solution for your error code. Understand all the time what the error you are facing while compilation and running time of your code. Whenever you are getting an error code, based on the error code you need to find into the Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques. These techniques will help you to making you a troubleshooter while writing and implementing the programs. Submit your questions asking QA forum for details what you have tried with the screenshot error code you are practiced by you. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guides with the extra notebook what you are going to be preparing and making a note of for practice. Review certain information by reading enough examples of the parts of video sessions, and these examples you need to assume and add to practice. Exercise and solution. These exercises we have given few for testing your knowledge. This will be like a previous what you have learned. Accordingly it will be given to you. And anyhow, we are going to providing a solution for you to understand this query. So I hope you will be inside. Thank you.